Hey guys, welcome. This is how to turn off Google Smart Lock on Android. So, guys, to do this, you just have to simply go ahead and go through the settings into your device. Now, here on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down, and you should be able to see here biometrics and security. So guys, in some other device, it will be security and privacy. And now from here, you can just simply go ahead and go scroll down, and you should be able to see here other security settings. From here, you could just simply scroll down, and you should be able to see here trust agents. So you could just simply go ahead and select this one, and now you should be able to turn off the smart lock Google right over here. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.